Hello everyone, I am Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe. My dear students, today I welcome you all. In class 5 EVS chapter 2, we'll be discussing this chapter's exercises today. I have already explained this chapter and the video is there in my YouTube channel. So let's begin with the exercises from chapter 2, the Himalayan range. First of all, let's discuss, tick the correct options. There are 5 which are given in your book only. Another name given to the Greater Himalayas is, answer, Himadri. Second, the first Indian woman to reach the world's highest peak was Bachindri Pal. Third, a moving river of ice is called a glacier. Fourth one, the average height of the Himadri range is 6,000 meters. Fifth one, Shimla hill station is found in which state? That is in Himachal. Now match the following. Glacier will be matched with moving sheet of ice. I have here written the answers in front of the specific word, so you don't have to exactly match it. Just the answers are given in front of the word. Second, Himachal, and this range is famous for valleys and hill stations. Third, Shivalik. This is the home to many wild animals. Fourth one, Himadri. That is the northernmost, or you can say the highest range of the Himalayas. Last one, Naga and Khasi. That is eastern hills of the Himalayas. Now let's move towards true or false. There are 5 in queue. First one, the Himachal range has no trees. That is false. Second, the Himalayas are very useful to us. True. The highest peak in India is Mount Everest. False. Fourth one, terrace farming is very popular in Himalayas. That is true. Fifth one, Terai are flat marshy areas found in Himalayas. It is also true. Next, there are name these and there are 7 name these. So let's discuss first the mountains, which means the abode of snow in Sanskrit is known as Himalayas. Second, Nepalese call the Himalayas by this name, that is Sagram or Sagarmatha you can say. The northernmost range of Himalayas is known as Himadri. Fourth one, the first Indian women to climb Mount Everest, that was Bachindri Pal. Fifth one, flat marshy area to the south of the Shivalik range is known as Terai. Sixth one, the southernmost and the lowest of Himalayas is known as Shivalik range. Seventh and the last, another name for Himachal range, the answer is middle or lesser Himalayas. Now circle the odd words. Circle the odd words. First one, Ganga, Kaveri, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Among all these rivers, Kaveri is the odd one here. Then Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, Shimla. Shimla is odd here. Pine, Kikar, Devdar, Oak. Kikar is odd. Loo, blizzards, snowfall or snowstorms. Here Loo is the odd one. Now let's discuss short answers. There are 3 questions. First, name the trees found in the Himachal range, and the options and the names are Fir, Devdar, Pine or Oak. Second, why do we find no trees or plants in Himadri? Answer, we do not find trees or plants in Himadri as the climate in this region is extremely cold and it is difficult for plants to grow and survive in such a cold climate. Third one, who were the first 2 people to climb Mount Everest? Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay were the first 2 people to climb Mount Everest. Now let's move towards the long answer type questions. And the question first is, why is terrace farming followed in the mountains? Terrace farming, farmers cut flat steps in mountain slopes to grow crops. This type of farming is known as terrace farming, or you can say step farming. Terrace farming is followed in the mountains because it stops soil erosion and maintains the fertility of the soil. Second question, write any 3 points why Himalayas are important for us. Himalayas are important for us because of the following reasons. First, They act as a natural boundary and have always protected us from foreign invaders. Second, they influence our climate by preventing the cold winds of northern Asia from entering India. Third, these snow-covered peaks fill our rivers with water all the year round. Fourth one, the forests provide us with wood, medicines, fruits, and lots of other useful things. Fifth one, Himalayas are the home to many wild animals like snow leopard, tiger, rhinoceros, and wild yak. Third question, why are the Himalayan ranges visited by thousands of people every year? And the answer is Himachal ranges are visited by thousands of people every year because first reason, beautiful hill stations like Shimla, Manali are located in this region and people love to spend their leisure time in such places. Second, only this part of Himalaya is accessible. Third, the climate of this region is pleasant. People generally go to these places in search of peace. Fourth reason, the lower slopes of Himachal ranges have orchards and tea plantation which attract the attention of the people. Now HOTS. There is one question only and the question is, how would the absence of Himalayas affect the climate of India? Answer is, the absence of Himalayas would affect the climate of India in the following ways. First is, it would have become impossible to stop the cold continental air masses of Central Asia from entering into India. Second, had there been no Himalayas, the whole of India would have been a desert. Third, in the absence of Himalayas, Himalayas winters would have been very severe. Fourth and the last one is, Himalayas play an extremely important role in bringing monsoon in India. So these are the exercises from the second chapter. We'll soon meet with the exercises from the next chapter from your EVS book of class 5. Till then, take care and have a nice day.